Guys, it's your girl A Marie, and I wanted to come and show you guys a bodysuit that I did. So if you guys follow the Lovely Wholesalers, you guys will see a lot of their lovely, sexy bodysuits. So I saw one on there and I loved it, guys, and I decided to make it, guys. So this is what it looked like. And guys, I do have double-sided tape. When I wear this, I will use the double-sided tape to stop this from moving. So I'm not wearing this today. It's just a try on, guys. So this is the fabric that I used to make this very beautiful fabric, guys. So pretty much, guys, if you guys want to make this bodysuit, guys, take some leggings and trace out your bottom for your leggings, and then take a top, guys, and to get the crisscross shape, guys, let me show you guys this.
Where were you this whole time?
Okay, you're gonna cut, see this? You're gonna cut two of these.
I know.
And then the back,
I see.
the bias,
It was all my fault.
the back part.
What was your fault?
And then, guys, you guys do the armhole for the sleeves.
Just hear me out, please, okay?
Trace out the sleeves, and then I do connect it in the back. I connect it, and guys, if you guys just wonder where I got this body jewelry from, guys, you guys can go on Amazon. If you're comfortable with shopping on Amazon, put in body jewelry. Or if you're comfortable with eBay, I got mine off of eBay. But the body jewelry, guys, and guys, pick it up. Pick it up. You just put it in, and all different kinds that come up, and just keep searching until you find the body jewelry that you like. But guys, this is the finishing results of the bodysuit that I made. And I did do the little puffy, like made it like scrunch up down here. But the way the fabric is, you really can't tell. I think I need to do it with a solid fabric, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much, and make some beautiful bodysuits. Bye bye. So this is another jacket that I made, guys, and I've made this in all colors. So guys, this is my puff sleeve jacket, guys, and I found these boots. And I was like, these boots would be perfect with this jacket, guys. Gina, you want to say something? Say hello. Say, y'all like my mama jacket and her boots. So, guys, this jacket, I do make these jackets myself. Small, medium, large. So, guys, for these jackets, if I make these jackets for you guys with the lining and different stuff. Now, guys, this jacket was made a year ago, so it's not guaranteed that I will find this fabric. This fabric was in Michael's, so sometimes you can find the fabric, sometimes you cannot find the fabric. So the fabric varies, guys. So, but I would say with the fabric and all the stuff you put in this jacket together, for me to make this jacket, it'll be like about $140, and that'll be shipping. But if you guys want to make it yourself, I will make the pattern for you guys for $25. So you tell me you're small, I'll draft it up, make it a small, and send it off. But you got to know how to sew. So if you don't know how to sew, so when I do the front panel, it'll be the front panel, the side panel, the back panel, the sleeves, and the under sleeves, and then the collar. I label it all, but you gotta know how to sew and put it together. If you don't, it'll be a waste of money, guys. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much. Gina, okay, they gotta say, you can't make me. What? You don't ever say nothing. Say hi, thank you guys for watching Mama's video. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the red jacket, my boots, and the bodysuit that I made, guys. So, yes, guys, just wanted to bring you guys something else. Get your creative juices flowing, guys. And you guys have an awesome day, guys. Hope you got all your Christmas wishes granted. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much for always watching, guys, and create some awesome bodysuits. And this was inspired by the Lovely Wholesalers. Bye-bye, guys.